want to show you what method didn't work out. Using a round brush was a no-go because it didn't glide through her hair easily. So with trial and error, we figured out what to do and what not to do for a blowout. What worked out much better was that I fully stretched out her hair and blow dried it from root to tip until it was completely dried. And I pretty much did this method for the rest of her hair and the results were really great. Something else that worked out also was basically doing a chase method with my Tangle Teaser brush, and this just helped to smooth her hair out even further. These are her final results. Her hair is very fluffy and lightweight and just came out very nice. And she actually ended up straightening her hair afterwards. So definitely check out her video to see how those results came out as well.